and welcome back to the Carlos Zepeda Show, where we make real estate easy for you. Today we continue our series with Scott from Guild Mortgage. He's going to answer another question for us. So Scott, take it away. Now Scott, why is it that I see so many different interest rates out there?
You know what? That's a great question, and it's a very complicated question, Carlos. Rates will vary from one person to the next. When you're talking about a VA or an FHA loan, typically those rates are flat. There's no loan level price adjustments unless your credit's really bad, under that 660, 620, 640, depending on what those are. But with a conventional loan, you have loan level price adjustments, and those loan level price adjustments can vary from one person to the next. Depends on what your credit score is, how much of a down payment you're putting, the type of property that you're buying. Those different factors will play into what those loan level price adjustments are. So you and I can buy a house, the same house, side by side, same purchase price, but because I'm putting 5% down and have a 680 credit score, my rate's going to be different than your 20% down with a 740 credit score.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So that's one of the reasons you're going to see interest rates out there. Also, a lot of the rates that you're going to see online are teaser rates, right? You've got to fit into a box that's this big. So, always take those for, what they're worth.
That's how they get you?
Yeah, it's a good indication of where rates are headed. So if you're looking at them one day and it's showing 4.125 and you're looking at them a week later and they're showing 3.875, then you know rates are on a downward trend. If you see that, opposite of that, you see them at 3.875 and all of a sudden next week you see them at 4.125, you know they're on an upward trend.
Up.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. Again, Scott helping us out. Don't forget, if you need any real estate mortgage help, reach out to me, reach out to Scott. And if you have any other questions at all, please comment down below, leave us your questions so we can continue our series answering your real estate questions, okay? Thanks. Bye.